Measure the width, length, and pit height to verify everything is squared within tolerance levels. Be sure to measure the slope of the pit as well. Confirm the steel curb angles are secure all the way around. Verify pit dimensions according to the model purchased per the provided dimensions. Make sure everything is plumb and square. Pay close attention to the X dimension and the depth for the 2-inch PVC conduit. This will keep the wiring clear of the frame and toe guards while allowing it to reach the control box correctly. Safety check. Before moving forward, review all safety instructions in the manual and follow local construction and safety regulations. Only qualified specialists should perform installation, and only qualified electricians should handle electrical work. Cord off the work area to keep it safe. Inspect the dock leveler for damage. Check cables and hoses to ensure they're not kinked or squeezed. Contact your supplier if you notice any deformation or damage. For shipping, the control box and components may be attached to the leveler or sent on a separate pallet. Either way, remove them before you continue. Move the leveler by means of the transportation bar provided. Adjust it to the required position if necessary. Move the dock leveler into the pit. Make sure the platform is centered and level with the ramp. This example demonstrates the proper method for identifying the required shim thickness. Welding. The dock leveler has cutouts at the rear that mark the exact position and length of welding points. Weld at the indicated spots along the rear. Ensure the connection is flat. If needed, push the leveler back into place with a forklift. Weld the front beam and the lip keeper, if applicable, at the indicated points. If the pit is too wide for the front beam, fill the spacing with steel plates or strips. Always weld at the hinges and corners. There's no need to weld the underside of the front beam. Electrical setup. Safely secure the dock leveler in the upright position to access the operator wires. Run the wires through the conduit up to the control box. A qualified electrician must connect the control box. After wiring is complete, remove the transportation bar and any transport safety devices. Install the dock bumpers according to the included instructions. Test run. Have a qualified specialist perform the initial startup. Make sure the platform is level with the ramp, then run a full test cycle. Follow the separate control instructions carefully. Check that the dock leveler moves evenly and smoothly. Test all safety equipment. Be sure to loosen the foot guard bolts and verify the maintenance support is working. Set the auto return time for the auto return function. Finally, confirm the leveler is fully level. No part of the frame should be floating in the air, otherwise welds could fail over time. If needed, add shims at the specified points.